Gamvel. Leka jeno, se ke pusha, ke re ke batla madiba. Tona ke nyanze, ke le chaetse hore ke tsotse.
Sure, yeah. So, ke re didn't say long gore e lang ke tsa gore ke be ke tsetelle ke ntse ke kgonno master. Jalo ka utlwa da hamfe tampo tsa for se tshong ke tsong ntho ka ofela. Ke didn't say so mfethu. Ola pa equipment pele bo.
Sure.
Okay, cool. Sha. Aye, operate. Cool. Let's operate recorder bo. So now challenge it lo nthola etela na la choose. So now challenge it lo ba guy it lo ba mo elong okay fine sharp o tlo utlwa tracker se le fully mastered. Ha o utlwa for okay fine sharp yeah track ke e khukile but is it ntwele ke batlang da wow. So that's what I was like, okay, fine, I'm missing because you will try to explain, you will try. Go ahead, so. Never get it right. Wow, you know what? Let me just get equipment. Ki record. Si chong record. Vetu na satiba. Si chong na khona lo record no tjena alo yena ke lo honna. But most of the time na re spanela down you one. So it lo banthu lo re ne re kopanela project right there and there at that moment. Re kopana si chong yana o tlo betsa party ya hae. Ha ke tlo betsa party ya hae, ke betsa party ya ka. Go tloa mo no se re tla bona di eclipse for re inspire sa jwa. Wa bo.
Lo yena mntwana mashona ke sengwe ke zeni mentse motho le equipment ya hapo. Ya hore like batho ba bang ba kgona master to a point ya hore
we batlang mfethu hamla se tshongwa tsa o etsalang when you write music ne
sure
obviously mfethu monna you already have a vision already because some sort of idea a picture for I want this thing to sound like this this because at least so the moment you record and I'm like what I say it's into of which you imagine or at least cover 90% of it. That means it's off. So you're not telling me na elam force for us. I know what I pilot equipment yak. And that's what I did in fact pilot equipment. Kala mfethu ka equipment ka rent mic, a laptop, a sound system, let's talk FL Studio. Yeah. So it was simple because of happen ke share ba hana ntse di etsa le dintse wa so a plus wa tseba o qala bana le laptop bana le FL Studio yeah babo since o ba that much that's why la rena production ya ka la kgona elevate fast ha ka tloa ke bile motho la rila ya boma ke tseba for let's say how Spanish auto tune Spanish boma a certain amount of auto tune babo like I wanna about like the thing dog le utlwe track ele ne o mutlwe mfana ha comment e bitse ha ke utlwa that's my goal
sure
that's my goal ala batho ba ha ona utlwa ha ona utlwa how you can't even identify ke ba lo ke o tsa fagamla ko yena a choose ya come on pride wa utlwa mfethu track tsa faganya wa motse ke pride wa utlwa hala
sure
so one thing ile nka rata ka nna lo tia ka ne kore we disliked that part mostly. And lucky enough le batho ana ba produce like batho ba ileng hore ne ba sa bapale like auto tuning. So we relied most on our vocals.
So
yeah, that is why most of the checks ke di etsa ke abina. Ke rapa here and there but choruses they'll kill it for you. Singing live verse I will still kill it but in a singing form. Wow.
Sure.
So that is the thing along influencer and there so yeah man we rock so we rock but that's the thing along yo and I dislike every song motherfucker or any nigga along to how mamela pina to auto tune. I hate that because of I feel like you are hiding behind auto tune so you don't have talent
so plus auto tune and like batho ba ngata bona se ba se bisa yona ho bina
exactly
ha ba sa go le ntwe ha ba sa le ha ke tsebe
lanto bina tso don't click you V an example babo just the AI babo but that's the same thing he doesn't have a voice but then more than a voice that's the works of auto tune
but trust me, at some point, auto-tune is needed, not every time.
Not every time, my dog.
But at some point,
At
it's
some
needed.
and at the auto-tune, it might be needed in most cases, ne? But the usage of it, dog.
That's why ke-
Ke no puntwele monna ke volume. Ke
Ke
mara
ntho
ba
fela
fethu.
you thuse mo le mo.
Mo le mo.
Hona le
Ke
batho ba
fana
eleng
ka
hore-
soft notes and ke ho there are certain notes as you know for as
Eh.
sorry okay fine sharp about the heater and auto-tune it will give you those soft notes. You understand? That's what we're going for.
Sure.
You understand? Ha so no tjena o lo volume up auto-tune. Dog, I hate that. I hate it. And I felt what's again? Hans Relda, what do you think about AI, Mavi? Buffett, what do you think about AI? Ghost guy, what do you think about Buffett? Here is the context of the question, eh? Mostly in production. That's our paradigm. Production in both paradigms, whether videography and musically. What do you guys think about AI? I read calendar.
And now
This one is a bit broad, my brother. So, like, please open the show, Bailey. Then I read how many viewers?
We're trying to like that because of, you know, there is something. The reason why I'm saying this, ne, it is because of, I don't know how many series, dog, I have watched on TikTok. Have you seen those series on TikTok? The AI?
ya di bona.
Bro, have you ever like watched, like, let's say the whole trailer part watch more and then watched it from episode 1 up until episode 40?
Nna ke di bona ntse ke scrolla fela ho.
Dog, okay, fine, sharp. What do you think about that production?
Emna na AI ntjaka o bua nnete nkutisa bohloko.
How so is
It's
that?
more like unga span sa motho and like oh.
That is the thing, dog. You know, yesterday I was like on WhatsApp now, dog. But here's the thing, again, you know, I was actually gonna challenge that because of I'm like AI. Still, it depends on human for a prompt. Therefore, this thing, like you said, my boy, it's broad. As far as this thing is broad, search home, there's upside in it and there's downside in it.
Sure.
You understand? But the other part we are overlooking, it depends upon a person, a human, a prompt. AI has shown a clone fella yesterday, didn't say no, mind you.
Sure.
And I feel to AI is stupid.
I like it.
AI is stupid, bro.
Yeah. But at the same time, brothers, I'm not going to point of view here. That they knew it's not dangerous to a point where a gardener, a coveted carpet among because no Jehovah, Monty, a generator, as I cut through body performances, see,
Yeah.
they are the gigs and stuff. So no check come to a point where you have to get booked.
Yeah.
And, music wa how or
AI.
it's
Creative, like. But there's one thing along with it. Choose. Like, oh, that was intelligent, my dog. He was like, Ntwana yam, Mina. Like, ungaba clever, Ntwana. If you know who you rely upon AI, if you know who you rely upon AI, ensure for him to like, no, not alternative per se, but from. You understand? The platforms don't want to win out or your long cover the 80k booking because of remember you are not a fucking creative. Yeah. Online you're not a fucking creative. Like I felt like he made a valid point. Monetize it digitally only. Don't come to live things. Make it digitally a fell later. Because I about to wanna a performance I create hard.
Once it comes to like boomer performing like music into AI music,
Yeah.
it's a bit difficult now. Because come to think about the fact
Yeah.
So it's happy, yeah.
on public, I mean, the likes of both Credovi. When I Credovi to and come to think about the fact that it had something like 6 million views.
Ne ke re ke tlo bua ka ena le man.
Yeah, 6
O utlwisa bohloko.
streams.
Utlwisa bohloko jwang jang?
Njaka o bonda man hana performer ra. Yo na ke bone ba ntse sono fe. Ko ka ba re ne ba mmitsa ba tlo shebisa ka ena whereas like nna ke bona e le meiketsi na wa tseba meiketsi ha lelo nja o ikentse ke ntho ntse o e bua ya shaba ya go shaba o itse if ever o kgona go ja tšhelete ka yona like bo ka le bo di streamsing fella mo se ka batla go nka ya bontho ya bo di bookings because wena o kwa ha wa fuwa bo skill seno so wena in short o guti ka o jetsa AI o re mona ke batla se dilaka AI ya o etsetsa and then o etsa za
Because of here is the other thing that you should look into when it comes to this thing and AI infiltration. For simple terms, if you're not a person who's experienced in making a poster, you will never be able to make a decent poster out of an AI. It's a fact.
yeah
But anyway,
You smell me? But anyway, you smell me? We're rolling and we back again with another banger episode. You smell me? Ayo, welcome to chilling with your boy, Sigila Say the Sigila aka First the Music Name, man. You know what it is, man. And right here with me today, Kidutsili Rotmanela Makasana, the one and only guy who regards himself as the king of the Sutu jail. In Makasana, King Kanamashona. How are you, my brother?
I'm not
You doing good, my G?
haholo fela
KYS Ntwana Mashona. Why Ntwana Mashona, me bro?
cause mo ke blow tšaka ish mashona bona le music wa gona simple ha o kgone go fitlhe wa bo tsebentse right ka baka la gore
That's a bar.
how blind wa bo
Yeah,
so yeah nna tše go like ke dula mashona
yeah.
le mo ke tloang go lo palama taxi gola ke go ka bo ma 20 minutes ya chu imagine chiri you chaketse mona le first meet up
Fuck. You niggas are cool.
wa mjwetsa gore e mone o thowe kae e mona ngwana o ha lo mlatala o lo itsetsa gore ha qeta o thowa la sentse le kena kae yo khathi re sa hlahlathela so like ntongolo ngo
Yeah.
le ka mtlakase mona yo go thowa ba go bona dingata ntse tse ka di buang
Sure.
so
like
probably someone a shebeletse ntse wa ipotsa gore okay ra go sisa Ntwana Mashona cause nna kana la ithalosa
Sure.
why KYS like
Plus-
initials I get.
sure
Kwenye butse KYS matsing.
Yeah, he did explain of chaos but I'm trying
Oh, I'm touch about it. I will cry from here. And yeah, vele ke yona ntho re batlanye.
ba se sala ba mpotsa o batho
Yeah.
bana beso ya buang ke kgeleke thata kgeleke le shona kgeleke le nngwe ka raqwaqwa a itseba
That way.
e sale le mpotsa gore KYS in fudu ye metseng ka jeno ke la gaba go shon jaaka ke kgeleke ya Stwati
Ah. Nah, I can attest to that. I have had a bit, and not something that was already recorded, something that happened live. Nah, I can attest. I can attest.
wa qala ja
Diparanyana tsena mane di tlameha go lena man bafetso. But anyway, man, welcome to the Safe Room Pod. And thank you for pulling out, bruv. You smell me? We actually do appreciate you, my guy. Yeah, Wagwan Ghost Guy. Hey, the Ghost Guy Fandak is cooking, man. I got a new Ghost Guy in the house.
so what's about in the ratile what's about jaga wena host yaga
Yeah, man.
ne ke ratile gore before we go any further what's about motho o rata gore okay o ka ba mo shebella sometimes o batla reason ya gore okay why should I follow him after I saw him on the podcast
Sure.
so ke anahana gore how about o go kusa spaninyana sa hae okay not even span but khakopa fela if ever wena host ya ka ona le beatinyana
Already.
yeah bro
Already.
Yeah, what
When we start to talk, yo. This guy is a sharpshooter here.
what
Ha. Already. Now let's open it with that freestyle. You smell me?
o ele sanjwetsa
Let's open it with that freestyle. Hey, you must blame the ghost guy, man. Bare, Diamaniana itseng ke kgeleke ya Stwati na today. Live on the show. Pele re ka le batho ba re ba something else. Show santsane itshi sa wa ntlhaloganya. Bona.
ke lena
We are here. You understand? We are here. E hold the garanja. So we hold the mic in there.
Like 2 minutes and
Are we into that?
20 seconds.
That beat. Skebela waka, this song, you might get it. Someone very
nka
soon.
emamela pele
Yeah.
nka emamela pele
Ya o ka emamela
Hanyane
pele. Like mo o batla o tshwara rhythm ya tere ko re ya jwang.
ee
Wa ina stress man.
Yeah, but
Ha tlo flega ke pina ka
Yeah.
mona.
e ka lo 2 minutes da.
ee ke e beile teng
Sure.
Ebe my things are. Ya ke mo tsena. Head button in kada.
ga ka tsamaya
Re ka tsaba.
Yeah,
Ah.
ke ba fele baka go ba ke re ke gale ke lesho
Wow, re di kgele ke squad. Bana wa understand that. Ba utlwisise hore KYS today is in the house. Now we cooking, man. We cooking.
beke le beke na ke phela ke recorda a o tšhele gale ga ona ngwana ka bang kgona ntwa ga ikupa tsa se tsebe di yang khola ene go tshela thupa diphaka di hlohlola mino mona o tsebe se ke na le nako ene ke le chaetse ke qadile ka lerako ke tlile mona ho tla lwantsha lephako ene ha se kwana se bisetswa ka lerato tsa ka se ya dimpono tsebe di bona stara ke hlantsha mazuthi di medi di apikara mamela kiki o mamele katara scoop sa magomsha scoop sa obetswa ka kara khaleke Khamphera.
We don't care. We don't care. We don't care. It's the same room part.
No ke a chola uko wa ke kgale ke e thata kgale ke le show.
Damn contact. Now, who tlwaetse? You understand me? As the first artist to be on the safe room part. Now I just picked a spot. Hey, ba re ba tlotla mona competition e thata. E thata. Bona ntwena e thata.
Ene jwale nna ke tsholo ka re ke blind competition a ke e bone.
Satsane ke le mo tate. O reka competition ya squad to bona mo squad ho na le motshelo ngro wo shomesa. Yeah?
O kule le petso la ka di itseng. Kgale ke e le nngwe fela ka ga kwakwa. Nice e mo tsia tla nka personal. Ke a dlala ba fetho. Ha re shapile.
Are ba pa lo utlwile. Bona we want better.
I gotta raise this point as a ghost guy. Mfethu. Wachisa emela point ya ha.
Tangonta. That's why ke tshokere se ka rwa ba pala. Ke lo clipa o timo phathe. Ke lo clipa ha o understand emene intwena bona dintwe straight ke ntwe thata.
Sure.
E teng gara.
Ha ke etsa jwalo ha o bolele hore mohlomong ke letswalo kapo eng. Ke bolela hore Atsa o sia tla nka hampe. Ke batla e ka tsela e
Cook.
besitsweng wa bona.
Ntwena
Ke
ke
batla
Sesotho.
hore ha ke tshwa jwalo ke batla hore ba ye kgwathe mokoting. Ene obvious la itse ba no ya kgwathwa mokoting. O tla ithola o le kotsing.
Wa bona na
So I did my research. Motho e lo reng gale o ka dile mmino le to lena la hao jenya mmino o ka dio sebetsa le bo Polyblaster. Man, you are in contact with a lot of people. You are Kamokaba's friend as you speak. Like I sent you ring e pateile ka pojwang. Pojwang o spana la mauti collaborate la mauti as an individual.
how has it been?
Jenya how ya music go qoqele tje ka wena.
Now for now chong nka go sebetsa la mauti and like go like amna ho monate wa tswa why ke ithuta ntho tse ngata ho tswa ho.
Sure.
Even though ba bang e le gore bona bang respecta ho ya ka craft ya ka wa bo.
Yeah.
Nna ha ke banki obvious ona la bana be ke ba utlwang gore motho ona jwang ka bojwang o ka tlase ho nna wa bona.
Yeah.
Mara antsa le jwalo ke mo fa hlompho yane e le gore le ena o mpha yona.
Yeah.
Why? Because of ho chong Mna ha nka batla hore ke ska ithuta dintho batho hona le tse ding tse le goreng mauthi simple hona le ntho tse wena o di tsebang ka FL Studio
Yeah.
tse le gore nna ke di tsebe
Sure, yeah.
empa ha nka phela le wena haholo
O tlo di tsebe.
o tla bontse o di etsa plaka
Yeah.
nne ke a kgwatha go ntjaka da ho etsalang wa bo
Yeah.
so ntene that's why o thong matso a hlatswana njaka
Shit.
ho
Shit.
so nna in short ho spana la mauthi ho nkentse ke be the way ke leng ka teng ka jeng
Yeah.
le today like ntse ke thabela ho spana la mauthi haholo
Yeah.
entle ke mokgwa ka ke rata spane njaka
So is there any Karata Shashalaza? Is there any Boma project that is cooking right now? Let's say between Wena and Kamukaba. Because of bruv, the brew is dope.
sure njaka
Nah, the brew is dope also, man. Like say, yo, the nice vocal. There's this song, Maloma Ora, the ghost guy. Maloma Ora, the ghost guy.
sure
Only like step also like ke batla track ya re mana nkisa le piano ke go nkisa le piano ke mametse 7 minutes ya le piano ha ka thola ntho ke e batlang.
It is
Sure.
the track ya neng e reng hlokomela so ke wa tseba ona le pina ya hlokomela ya piano.
Yeah, na perform
eh.
to
So I
Basotho
thought it is the
culture.
one. So I thought it is the one and I performer in a bridging. Unfortunately, ke unreleased you.
eo ke ya sokang a entse
Mara we perform Basotho culture. Ha e hopa ho. So is there any project e leng hore yeah tryna like hook up on when not le ka mokapa?
Lekam.
Because wa chi some field.
ya tsona di atla tsang jaka
Diatla.
eh
Hi.
so tshong le no tje hona le nngwe hona le pina ka so batho ba engangwang blind ke bona is ko re like ha ke sheba ke kana ke tshwara bo
A se ele leng hore mo ke ntse mo so teng mokhubedu.
ke
Facebook.
nngwe mo ke reng ha hona ngwana tlang ka tomela batho ba bo
But
bona
I can try to do
ya bona ba
Okay,
itseba
okay,
bo
I did my
Keep it
research,
up, you know.
let's see
I'm familiar with the track.
ke ya
Ke how?
Hona ngwana tlang ka tumela.
Yeah, ke
Ba
fake.
tseba ke ntwa tumela.
le mo sena ke tse ke ba kenela ba le bo kwatanyana bona ba ntshwanela
ntshwanela.
pina eo go tshong
Yeah.
ke yone ke tlo e sebetsa le batho bao le
Oh,
o tlo ke ka le batho bao le ka
Le ka,
Eh.
sure, yeah.
so wa tseba ke mothabizi
Nah,
Yeah,
that's good.
wa
obviously.
bo so ke yona ntho e-
Shout
ke yona ntho e dile yang sure nkebe khale se ke ba fide batho cause bona mona every time I get poster everyone is like eh mona ntshapile
ntse ke sheba no ke TikTok nya ka ke a sheba yo ke a bona ha icon e hlile ke yona ka re new file di number haholo
ene kana go khutshwane
Yeah,
cause ke la ga check di video tsa hao before yona ne
sure
Yeah.
ne ntse di tlamara
Yo,
esenjo
short definition.
yo bra
It's the
I
banger.
think it's mainly because o shootile hape ka quality entsweng bu
Sure.
Facts.
lyrics tsa hao di sharp and then o thotse di influencer
Yeah.
shout out man ke bone bo Neo o teng
Sure, le Pixie.
Neo ya ne a actang a shalang ditoring tsa kana re shela le boka
generation
Oh. Neo Mkhethi.
ne o mloi
Oh,
ya no di jokes wa
Oh,
TikTok
yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
ke bone o hlahile video the influencers the likes of boss Khaitsedia
Samadula.
Ditsa hantle.
ke sebitse le bona le ntho le e mona skala bala pixel mfito
Yeah.
batho ba ngata ba tseba ne ba tseba pina tsa ka mara face ka ba sa etse
Sure.
mara because of Hotman leo njaka pixel zonkolta spani njaka otherwise one love njaka
Yeah. So my dog, Nuyana, for one long or shebile da. Bo matati le iputsa for a high man. Hotman le la cheese. Or let's say mhlambe. Esemba qwaq. Disclaim. I got. Take it away, take it anyway. You understand? Let's say a big producer comes across your clip. Because I'm gonna clip it for sure. If they don't clip it, I'm gonna clip it. You understand?
sure
Banika ama-clipper ukuthi bayiclipe.
Oh, you see, sir.
sure
I clip it, goes viral. Let's say, big producer sees your thing. So, me, I wanna know from a producer's perspective, what inspires your sound? Is it a certain individual? Is it your kasi, your experience? You smell me? I wanna know that type of stuff.
na ntho e inspireang sound ka njaka ke environment ke phelang ho yona
Sure.
ke phela mo le gore mna ke gamfe that's why la bina dipina sentse qala ga like gang fela.
Yeah.
So yeah, ke phela me le gong se be se tswa ka lerato e jwalo fela.
Yeah.
So ntwe nna ke sebedisa le batho like ba sa ntsebeng ha ke hlaka ba ka la ntwe hore gang fela ngobo batho ba sa ntsebeng ha ke hlaka gore mona batho ba makala o wena monna o ile o le innocent ke abti a shayo gang fela wabo. So like nna ntjaka mo phelang
Yeah.
ke ho like o phelo gang.
Yeah.
Mara wena gang eo ha o tlo e notice until o phela mo.
Sure.
So yeah ke yona ntwe e nsututsang jwalo yona
So it's a matter of wa decide hore environment o tsong ho yona ya o determine hore o motho a jwang kapa jwang.
ai I determine
Like no,
And it doesn't define you also.
like
I love that. Ke phelo ba kasi,
So,
if I'm getting it right.
wena wa decide ke telong hore nna nke be ka
Yeah.
phela phelo ba gang fela. Okay, I'm still gonna do music.
Yes.
Nne ke sebedise bokwata bole ba hore ke gang fela.
so chong na
Hang fela o tshwere ke bo mantho ka re bo ma tribute. Hang fela ke ntho ya
It's
kasi.
a tag.
ke slogan sa ka.
Sure. Hang
Ha ke go wa itse ba gang ke ke nkgang ja.
Hang ke ka English. Hang ke trouble mfethu. Hang.
Ngala ho ka Sotho folks.
Yeah.
Ha ke tsebe ka Sesotho.
Ka itse ba ka so ke hang.
Ha o so ka thwe
Hang.
hlalosetsa ba mamedi no tsina hore gang ke ho motho a sa tsebeng a ithute o tswa ho wena
Ke
ka
mozolo wa fethu. Ke tla try ne. Hang as I'm saying hang in English ke trouble ne. Hang fela.
Sure.
Mathata fela.
mo
Wa bo. Yeah.
ako mehlalosetse yona ntjamme ke kutlo tswa ho wena hore wena ho ya ka wena jwalo ka o le Mosotho a tje gang ke ho ya ka wena.
Ka ke tla ke explain ba ba Mosotho. Gang fela.
Yeah.
O tshore motho a tletseng gang ke motho a senang khotso.
Asnans mamela.
Ko go e qetile ntjamme.
Motho a
Yeah.
senang gang, motho a tletseng gang ke motho a senang khotso. Which means ka mantswe a mang ha bene ke tletse gang. Ha o kopana fela.
Ke ntwa fela.
ke gang fela.
So that yena he does not literally mean gang ya dintwa but ka music wa hae wa.
ya wabo.
Oh.
So hanya ha ke taba o kopana fela ya le phanya music.
That is why re ke ena gele ke a squat ha
E
ona
le
motho a
nngwe
ka ema ka
fela.
pele le nngwe fela. Gang fela. Ha o hanetsa gang fela. Oh.
tle gang.
Yeah.
Ha ke go a tseba motho ya bo ntate gang e gaolwa ke letlaka.
Damn man. Shit. Ke a bona motho ya nkutlo. Ba fethu. La bona ga ma go dile ka kolwana mfethu ga kolwana ba fethu Sotho just catch man ba fethu Sotho just catch
I was police.
just catch Sotho lona bana ba tla hlalo sumatha tla ubetsa ka Zulu no tshela mara re stoel wa bo ba fethu nah man that's really dope man. So music wa how o etsa tell me because of giveneke let's go to the fact that ba fethu lili thuso you understand. This question goes for the both of you. It's Venek music, but mostly you are the guest. So you're doing Venek music and yes, hang fela and you do. But then where do you wanna like take your music or where do you see your music going? Because of at the end of the day, okasi stikim kotana cause kotana hana next.
Ke masho.
Ke masho. And then go fela. Putha se tjena se re no ba putha se magala ndantle Scotty inko jalo ke kare ke masho.
Nna fela ke le ka ga dithaba tse di reporta botile tje.
O mashona. That's why le keep down by chelel mashona. You understand? So where do you see your music? My bana music wa ha o ile ka out here. I'm sorry.
Ke batla go bona o ile kae ka poko o bona o ile kae.
Nna ke o bona o ile
Oh, bona o ile ka music wa ha because of you already have music, you already have the skill, you have the talent to just freestyle for us. Ha re no go like ntwe ka re e ke ntwe etsala nutjo o bona o ile ka music wa ha.
Let him answer the both into those questions really true. o bona o ile kae.
That's why ke di botsitse di le two yeah that's why ke di botsitse di le two person so wona e hlabela ke ka go bona nna ke le twang at least yena o mo fa yona o ka bela ke ka go o motho wa so twang ke o iwa bo ya ke tsoza wa bo
nna o tshong ka bokhutswanyane mmino wa ka ke batla ho bona o tshong re ke etse mohlala wa bona ntate Stana o tsamaya kae by the way ke yona idol ya ka e wa bona that's why batho like bina ba bone ka like ke tsa yena ene ho mmeng ha re fapana
yeah
so music wa ka o ka fitla bo leveling eo ya hae entle re ke re ka bokhutswanyane ke batla ho tsijwa e seng South entle international jalo wa bona ke batla music wa ka o be mane me lo reng nka etsa mohlala ka mama wa bona bo Chris Brown ha o so ka thwe ho sane o tswa like aide ma le selemong sane ko re le batjha batlang music wa Chris Brown wa ka boletse ba ka o thabela.
So how do we get bafetwa tsa size talks they are quite important how do we get this music abroad
no o answer o retla fitla eo no o answer le ka go o
batla o bona o ile ka
oh sure yeah sure
answer ya hore o bona o lo kae a ke go answer le hore o batla o bona o lo kae
hana jwale ke o bona o ko go tla hantle ne
yeah but no it's
in future o bona o le ka ha o bona o le ka re bika ntotsa no o bona o le ka in the future
leveling e ka odima ya ntate Stana
that's what's up yeah ke ora tsebe paka e ka odimo tamae jwalo why do you wanna be below
he did mention the fact ya hore o inspire wa ke Stana so Stana
inspiration doesn't mean
I thabela ntwa hore someone
he inspired the greatness
in the future
yeah unless I envy a space so you know how the industry is it's a fact it's a fact man it's a game go bona for ntwane entswembu o tswang qwathi obo obvious o tlo mkhia but mfana how to lo for talent ya hae e thunya the borders of the country.
Sure.
So, here's the other question that I have. Are you willing to collaborate ever since you want to see yourself at that level? Collaborate with internationals, not you necessarily being your vocab being international. But are you like even planning for okay, fine, sharp? I would collaborate with people like cause of you dropping bars, I would say Aries. Wabo. You would actually get on a track with Aries. The slime Sebastian Bang attack. But you would actually, you understand? I heard how you flow. Like you're not that the singing type of person most of the time. Like you're on bars for bars, bars for bars, bars for bars. So are you willing, no planning for it? Nah. These are the type of features that elongore because of maucha ba dietse that's the stupid part it's ga ba fa ingredient ena no mara anyway ha ba dietse mode you understand they don't do them whereby they are supposed to be checking for okay ke nna ntate Stana my music okay sharp South Africa wa tsebahala
sure
yeah wa tsebahala but how so to value that much? How do I sink in? Collaborate le bafana ba Mazulu. You understand? Collaborate with people banaling English. No just like fa wena ntho mfethu yena sa yentse tema. Tsena re shebitse wena I understand so what I was asking go are you seeing yourself collaborating with such people let's say my areas because of his music is international. You understand?
Sure.
Collaborate le Mazulu so that you dominate go fa recipe. Understand? Collaborate le Mazulu. You know doing music because of you, like you could like get on a track with. I'm not gonna promote myself. Let me say, Boss Mama and
sure,
and you're like Cabras. There are people who they go like their tracks have session for bars, and when you come with your thing, you mirror it. Like I'm willing to blend in that type of version.
You be taking tunga tabela
yeah, to get your music out there. But do you think I have effect though?
You're being factual because. He's very versatile. The music he doesn't claim like how na beat him.
Yeah.
You can give him Like this guy could even collaborate with Stray Dog, for crying out loud's sake.
That's what we want. That's how you get your music international.
Mm.
I wanna, because of, I have a wild agreement of like, if you don't regionalize. I don't know if I'm putting it well. You guys will correct me there. You understand? Don't regionalize your music, dog. You understand? Don't do that. Like, don't regionalize your music and make it like, for I'm dominating South Africa.
You know, Paul.
And then we have people like Boma Kati, I'm dominating South Africa. Let me skip. They still went to international with their language.
Sure.
The person he looks up to, Liana, he's got that mentality of Stana. You look up to Stana, You look up to Stana, sure. And you look up to Stana. So Liana, he's got that thing of Hagibati music work of fella, so to fella. Liana, if you are one of what dominate them,
sure.
What if you have a clean trailer, Hagibati music work of films and fella. So the people you look up to, you should actually
outsmart them at the end of the day.
Sure. Yeah, not even outsmart them, but look up to them to the point where you have a mentality. It's one on the bone. But basically, if Evan Joey we better than them, it's gonna happen already. Over surpass on whatever
you know what I'm saying, eh? Like, do something that is better than them, because of here is the other trap that you might trap yourself in. This is the game. You don't have family. They don't give a fuck about your talent. At the end of the day, they are holding the title.
Sure.
You understand? Like, this is about the title. So if you're gonna try to like some sort of depend on them to like make it, you might or might not make it. Got 50% chance. Straight up.
You know what's what that day we won.
Straight up, dog.
Una khot malaka like Spanish lona so.
Sure.
Sgush ke na mo chung udula valera.
Yeah.
Ke na mo thilo gon like I'm na one tata isa holo.
Yeah.
O khona go like nane ke le mothane le gong ha ke post.
Mang, o ke mang?
Sgush.
Gucci ya bina zgura musole jwatso. Okay.
Sgushi ke producer fela. Ke producer ka o tloa khala wa bo ke qala mmino mno.
Yeah.
Sa re khona ka di headset. Yeah.
Yeah.
Konshene ke le gae. Oh, ne ke le tabeng ya go o dula lwantsha.
Yeah.
Ha o tloa ho tshong hona le ntho e bileng da ya gore o tshong ke ska dependa mouthine.
Yeah.
O dula lwantsha ne ke le bo mothelo
go sabotage, man.
Ne ke le bo mothelo go post bo TikTok. Bo Facebook ke tlabe ke mention ntate Stana o ke ba thega mthona lwalwana ge
don't do that.
No man push on to so nna ne ke nana ha ke etsa jwalo maybe ba tla bona bontho ka banke
They not gonna do that.
Think about the fact that until it's what ke batho ba kae ba lukang up to yena jwalo ka wena.
And here is the other factual question ke tla o botsa yena. Do you think for a Stana no tsena ha bona ntwane le ngwana le potential ga mo nkele title na le nyona, because of I still believe he still wanna go somewhere. Ha so fele da. And one more for ntwane o tla ka speed o to feta ntwa e ntse wa ban. Will it take you in? Hooray, I'm not sure. Let's not like assume, but I'm just saying in the game, the nature of the game, hooray. Or it's either batlonga in so that they can monopolize out of you, no monetize out of you, and then after they've drawn your energy and your aura and whatsoever, you understand.
Sure.
So that's the factual thing about the game. That's the thing it's about game. Let us about to depend on more. I don't care.
Cause ba bang batho wena o tlana na go motho o thusa
Wa o thusa ka nta.
ti o shebile na
Dog, let me tell you, this thing ya bog. There's always the idea of motho ha o thusa ne. Ba o thusa, there's always a trap. Na ba tla ba thusa ka trap. O thusa jwalo no tsone tsa boleke ka go o thusa and fa future tla ba gotla. Nye o thusitse ka bo mata o metse favor. You understand? So that's the nature of life, dog. That's the nature of life. So what I'm trying to say to you for as far Hensiki Fixer goes, guy, as far as like now what I'm saying is just do better than them.
Sure.
Inspiration doesn't mean you wanna be equals with them. For an example, let's say I was inspired by NSTC, your likes of Aries to get in a game, even though I'm not too deeply in, but then I wanna like focus on my music for a bit. And then, do you think all my vision is be like, I wanna be on Nasty C's level? Nah. Hell no. Hell fuck no. You understand? That's not how it is. Even though what inspiration is in trailer, there's many factors to inspiration. What inspired me as far as the musical, because of I came to realize we don't have to be all in America and young to start music. But they were the youngest musicians in the game. And then you feel like, okay, if I shout, there's a chance for my talent to be out there. Oh, that's where we come from. You understand? We're inspired by people like that. But that does not mean I'm like, I wanna here's the other poison. I wanna I wanna be dog. You wanna be KYS. Do you know for KYS what did he come about? What are the situations that made him to end up being KYS, that building KYS? Do you know? When I fell what's that before called? I wanna be dog. The I wanna be part, dog, is one of the craziest shit. You understand?
Sure.
Even inspiration, not inspiration, role model. Role model is poisonous. As a person, don't have a role model, bro. Do not have a role model, because of if you have a role model, you wish the life of that person, and how will it say behind the scene?
Bruh,
You are being fed what you see. Rather be your role model might be someone that you know for a fact would bank balance.
okay, on that
That's why.
point, folks, yeah, Ocho House at Taba inspired to once was role model.
How so?
Now I can know the
Check up point,
Yeah, sure.
Podcaster.
Yeah.
You open the podcast because there are people who inspired you.
Sure.
No,
Facts.
the fact you are good interview.
Facts. Yeah.
Then same applies in music. Music because he had somebody music also inspired. Then music mainly because it's talent, maybe.
which one is Joalo, Emadi.
Okay, sharp.
Le role model. I think you should have one, not even a role model, but someone that you look up to on a specific craft that you do. Like we're now a podcaster. There should be a podcaster that you look up to that is bigger than you. As he is a musician, there should be a bigger musician that he looks up to that is bigger than him.
Sure.
So the question I wanted to ask, so I wanted to ask for, do you start something because of somebody, or you start something because of it was intrinsic and it is something that is within you?
No,
You got an inspiration, like I was saying, for an example, I got an inspiration to actually do it out. Like I would just read, sing, but to go and be there, like now I would produce music, clap it, release, is because of I saw for there is a chance.
honestly, not on every case. Moto, color, everything because of you were inspired by someone. Not on every case, but
Otlo kalang only intrinsic. And actually intrinsic. It was still there. Keep quiet. Keep music was there. No, was there. How color like the studio? No.
every case, yeah.
Wow. So that's where I'm coming to for. That means there are people who start some things because of somebody, and I feel like those people, they are not really sustainable, bro. Start something because of it's within you. Did you start your music because of someone, or you started it because of you can do music, or you loved music? Dango. That's the thing, dog. There's something that you felt desire because of. Here's the thing. If Kiko collect a music note just because of shit thing, that means ke shit.
Mara ninja hari shebe na pointera ya man like ichela mnwa watsa we
Sure.
ninning ufumane ha o tsebe go wena ona le talent ya mmino
Yeah.
ne
Yeah.
ha o tsebe ne
How can you get not on every case?
o phela la batho be le gore
Yeah.
talent ya bona ke basketball
Fuck.
o so tla basketball wa bona ha e pass mara ntse e tla
Yeah.
until o bona mang o bona KYS o etsa ngwabini emna wa mfollower wa bo o ya kae o ya mane ninning so bona motho ya sebisa FL Studio so FL Studio le wena ke
Yeah.
wa recorda o ntso sheba KOS neng o so nkile bo lyrics tsa KOS wa di kopanya
Yeah.
ha o ntso ya o khona nthwane ya o he e qalang hantle wa bo ha ke tseba ka wa nkutlwisisa wa bo so neng go modele o tshong nkare neng ka ba re neng ka e ka re ke motho o bulang mahlo fela
Oh
o re
yeah, you need that person who's gonna take off the veil of you for
wabo.
wena. Kapo you need that person who's gonna put you on the right path for wena path ya uki.
Sure.
Oh yeah, facts. Shit. Nah, you warning.
bua he
Nah.
So share le stage le bo di artists tse feng tse big kapo ha se ke bera ka hare okay o ka mention artists tse big tse share le stage le tsona then wa khutla wa mention le di stage tse o reng ha se sena na ha ke le ba letsatsi le no ha ine ke bola stage like the event straight specifically o tshwana ke bola stage
Which akahle what's that man? What he's trying to say is which event that you can look back to today and be like, damn, I made at this stage. There's no other event that bona.
o tsona le eo
Yeah. That's why this typically asking.
hore ke la ka kopana le yona event e jwalo
Which event it is out of the event. You do events, right?
Sure.
You've performed for a long time. How many years have you been performing?
o ya di baya njaka ha ke tsebe le o tsebe ba bulu
More than 5 years?
yeah
You understand? Long enough. So you've done a lot of events.
wa bona nna go jwetse since ke perform
Yeah.
ko mo nka reng ke re mona like ko re ke bolaile okay tsena tse dintse ke bolaya tsena tsa hana jwalo mara ntjaka wa bona mo ne kena thelabdiba la
Yeah.
no shajwa body exam prayer
Yeah.
ke a hopola there was a time nna e bile na kontse o he ne ntse ko like ne ke bina mara se jwalo ka nutshi
Yeah.
mara ke la ka kopa ko go latla fela ntho
Yeah.
wa bo hore man since we tsuwa di exam prayer ka sound wa sa go be perform ara wa bo yo moment o special like lo wa tseba o le bo high school le bana la bana ntate ka go ibile re ke ntse wa nyana ha o le wa high school wa tseba moment eno man ha o le out gore he bana jo batho ba ska hlanye bo ko ga like bo le bo matitchere ana sa golo bo go like wena monna cause ba o tseba fela lo se so moment wa ka wanto wa high school ale perform re exam pre ko ne o le ga so le ba le story di perform me di show sharp mara e bona moment o ntja
but you're not even yele ene re ho yona bosibu yana ke bana ya go event ya motshwabiki ya ne re ya ntho ha ka tloa event nya no tsama ka ntho wa re nka ka koka koloi da emna re bua se ntho empe mona ya phena
e etsa
Go ba fana ka opela holder be ka ka go khutla go is like ha ke tse o etsalang ka wena.
o tshwara le ya phena o tshwara bola stage jalo ga yo la o bola just la po no tletse jwa phela
just la next side ye go bona next perform
O tlo perform maloji.
ke go la la tento e le go so kapo no tsona
nna ne ke ile mane pena ne ke ile follow jalo ho to mna
No lo za clubs njalo. O ska ipauzisa.
ne ke selo perform ka perform mfit a ke go mtseba pena nna ne ke batla go bua ke mona ne ke hlola go bua ntse wa ga e pena ke re pena e tsala ga di 4 I was like nah ena e tlo mfeta ka ya ju tenga se ke bona ba ntsha bo gate da ke re fuck da mane ke
I remember that moment bra
man
remember that moment re ka thoba kolong ya hao
re lwana bo nthonda ha bo gate le go la for ke kene mo
ka ba tshwanetse ka na ba
Ya gusti solo for event and pena.
hey
Ke na. Ang kana mo.
yo
How so? So kila shaka stage with celebrity couple. Are you in contact with any celebrities?
Yeah, he is in contact with celebrities.
Yeah, he is.
The good question is, have you ever shared a stage with any? Who are the biggest celebrities that you've ever shared a stage with?
nka se bule shano ha ba yong jang
Bo wishang mo shaka stage.
That you wish?
big wishang
Yeah.
ditshepe
Stan.
ditshepe
No, there's a guy who goes by the name of the Tsipi Lesotho guy.
Oh, Litsepe.
Yeah.
A featuring Stana or Mpina nene.
Yeah.
Oh, hang. King. Oh, what you ho? Oh, yeah.
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 Sure.
ha nka ba le kweteno monna pele na ka
You look up to Stana Mara, you don't want this feature. I get
le go shaka stage
Oh,
le go shaka stage ene
so how about to share Stana?
ke ntwe nka ithabelang stana yena ke batla go kena pine le yena ke mo bolaya se ga se njaka
Go how about to etsa a platinum track with him? Go batla ho montsha botha.
ke batla mo kuisa go gele ke nngwe fela ke a le shona
Yeah. Go to the man. Di neighbor ba thubana na magate end of the day. Ba tlameha go re bona geleke e ba fe thubana ya. That one. That one we go twetse. Tsepe. O tlile go le malaga senna.
o nyolle dikausu o di be di gopeng
A cosa yeah, it's true. And a good take it. So, my brother, as we're approaching the end of the episode, so what are you working on, bruv? Now,
sho njang
yeah, what are you working on?
no je o tshong ntse ke le busy ka le ba
Damn.
mara yona e tlo tswa selemong se in fact ne tlame e tswile ka birthday ya ka
It's already cooked.
ya dipina di na emana ke go bala hodima pina tse paya blind
Damn.
me le go batho ba dula ba ntse ba ga wena monna dipina wa sa ntse pina go utlwise pina o sa menna pina e go tshong ke motho ona jwalo wa bo
Yeah.
go tshong ke tlo ntsha le ba mo
Yeah.
very soon selemong se ke be sa fela
How many tracks can you
15 18 20 I'm sure
Sure.
mara re ke re 15 ya hodimo
Come with number 20, my guy. I'm putting it about on the table
ke tla nagana tabeng
and show these young boys who's the real king.
oh by the way
Understand?
ke lebetse ka di 29 tsa yona kgodi ya ka ste
Sure.
ke ntsha pina ka ya hauweng lebitso lona ke hauweng
I saw that. How
sure
Ke tsona tse re batla o utlwa when you ask you for what are you working on now.
ke
What should we expect?
sebetsa hodima album me le go
Mara tla mo expect how when before album.
ya hauweng ke yona e tlo le ukwisa gore le
Ho etsahalang ka ga
lebelle
album. O e le gutla hape e be ka ga album. That's
Wa
dope.
bona?
Yeah.
So, Njaka, ako nchayene, straight up, hagadi feature tlo sebeditseng le tsona, ke film featuring yena, e nsebeleditse ke ya rata. Straight up.
mphileng spotlight
O e ratang.
O e ratang.
Le o e fit- le o
A ka ka o e ratang it ka se be two e o e ratang.
Ha di be two, e mo file spotlight la ya ratang.
Ke tla ka morao ka mo feeling spotlight e o e ratang.
e ke ratang
Eh.
ke aga le kweteso mona Pridex ya free start ebile
Ya freestyle ke
re shootetse
e
video
sure ya ke e tsebe ke la nna ka e share.
E o tholetse spotlight.
That's dope. Fuck man. Ai go re ke ja o zama ja o fola o tlatsa. Ai man. So kana ke re butse go e ratile. Ke o fenyo feeling spotlight.
feature hai yo nna pina tsa ka go tshong pina tse mfileng spotlight ke pina mo ke dipina tsa ka mo ke leng yuan
No, like Hans got an file spotlight, but the one that's okay, the biggest feature that you have right now.
e dutseng pelong ya ka ke reng ena
The biggest.
E kgolo.
Polyblaster back in about 2019 or 18. Tona khala spanner. I think by 2017.
2017.
Ha se ena aspanele aksa upload ko lo mention a Blackwood or something.
Ah, so.
No. It's not STP.
Oh yeah.
STP, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, this guy is very into his music.
So I guess so. Which one is the one?
Yeah, which one is the one that like?
Kya ka le under this bat. Sbata ya nila mtsiba ya.
Una feature is bad.
Eh, yana binang bicycle.
Shit. That's me. What's research you got in?
Kina. Hey.
Your bills are coming in here, like you know shit. Yeah. They just unpack something that you never knew, that you never saw it coming. You smell me? But nah, that's dope, man. Shout outs. Now your music is dope, man. I've seen it and I know, of course, the track, yeah. Zantonia, okay. So yeah.
Sure.
But now all I could say is push. But consider that advice of mine, no go gailing.
Which one?
Collaborate with Zulus, collaborate with English people. Show people outside. What's like sometimes they are tracks still long how glory. Yeah, guy. How to language. Marabe yo sharp.
Yeah.
So let you be our Angara festival to Tabanga check. Let you be one of our. But yeah, our first Sutu guy who's gonna take this thing international, guys Sutu, and make internationals want to rap on your lyrics even though they don't know. They would even master the lyrics without even knowing what the hell to do. Wow, so let that be like I'm giving you game, but I'm giving you game. Let pride, game.
No man, like you know this guy who goes by the name of Pikachu.
Yeah. Can see it.
Which was like best trip when you go you pay a couple of high.
Fact.
There was a time when really competition in the Kokwagadi Yoda. Wow. When we do something like every Friday, a host to a gay DJ Tipora.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not Lena Pikachu.
Okay.
Ya fitla khalek.
I'm gonna tell her tumpa. Don't tell her show my face. I send Zulege Balalele onto this episode. Thank you, my brother, for pulling up this family. Nah. Shout out, bro. Shout out. We had a good chill with you. You smell me. Now they know. And now they know, and actually, my friend are taking me away. now you know. But anyway, thank you for tuning in up until right now. Please, do not forget to do all of those nice things. Like, comment, share. Hit that subscribe button. It's road to 1K. Come on, guys.
And about the please. I return to them.
How not going to veteran now? Okay, that's 2K views on the video. What, less than 1K subs? It's not fair. Why are all those people who are viewing? You guys are doing us bad. I'm complaining today. You're doing us bad, but I know, guys, you're gonna come through. We're gonna deliver. You understand? We're gonna deliver, but yeah, we delivering. But yeah, we gotta deliver. So do all of those nice things. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. Anyway, there are people who actually think for subscribing on YouTube is money. No, guys, it's not money. The hate is free. It's not like Netflix and ton. You smell me? But anyway, till next time, deuces. We out.
Come here.
I'll beg, I'll beg, Sevelang buyang beg, I'll beg, chippy boy, yes, I'll beg, when you do